Selvaggio Steel started as Selvaggio Ornamental Iron Shop. My father, Joe Selvaggio, started the company back in 1957. So he grew from a very small 1,000 square foot shop to what we have now that's close to 25,000 square foot.
We offer the complete miscellaneous shop, structural, just about everything for a small fabricator can do.
Tony had a way of making the flow go through the shop. It went one direction, never came back.
One thing that I'm proudest the most of Selvaggio Steel is the way we've set the plant up over the years and be able to incorporate the automation into it to keep our production going. And we've been able to do it. It's been nice.
With new technology, if you're not using it, you're behind. You're already behind, and you can try to muscle it out, but with CNC laser machines, it's the future. You have to.
And when we traded in our plasma punch for our new PeddiLaser M3 machine, our opportunities have just blossomed unbelievably.
It's taken a lot of the pre-planning on how to run plate out of the equation. Can I punch this? Can I not? How do I run this? Which way do I need to run it? No longer have to worry about it. And you know, it helps out your operator, makes things a lot simpler.
We put 40 tons of plate through that machine on sequence number 2, but it's only the second sequence of a 5-sequence project, and everything came out perfect.
The advantages of the PeddiLaser on our productivity, it's simple. Cleaner cuts, less cleanup, layout marks. I mean, there you go. That's what else could you ask for?
It can put a part number on that part in about 6 seconds, and it can do the layout in about 10 seconds.
And I'm talking 20 gauge up to 1.5 inches. That's, I mean, in one machine, unbelievable.
So we pulled almost 6 minutes out of every part we're going to install on a beam or a column. That's going to be huge over time. And so we're cutting all this plate with almost no cost other than electricity. The kerf is so minimal that every hole looks like it's drilled. So that's just increased our production in the shop floor substantially.
If people aren't looking into this machine or one of the other laser machines at Peddinghaus, I don't know what to tell you. You're a dinosaur. I mean, you're a dinosaur now.
We just want to keep the name Selvaggio strong, and we got to the high point of this city as the top fabricator, and we want to stay there.
We believe you can have a quality product, you can have it on time, and you can have it for something you can afford with our company. That's what we believe in Selvaggio Steel. We don't believe in 2 out of 3. We believe our customers can have all 3. That's what makes us successful.
Mind blown by laser technology.